In this tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to put in audio files into your Digication ePortfolio. So to start, make sure you're already on the page that you want to put in your assignment. Make sure you have the proper setup, and then you can go ahead and scroll down to Signature Assignments here. So as you can see here, I have 3 different modules here to show you the different types of ways that you can upload your music file. This very first one will show you how to put in files that are your own that are less than 20 megabytes. This is going into a rich text module, which you should already have on your page. If your file is bigger than 20 megabytes, we're going to be putting it on SoundCloud, and then we're going to upload it here into a media module. And the very last one is pretty similar, but it's from the internet. So if you're just grabbing it from SoundCloud and it's not yours and you have the embed code, or you have the embed code from Spotify, you can use this last one to upload. So those are your 3 options here, as you can see. So you can go ahead and pause this and just look at it to see which one you need. And then you can go ahead and skip to that part of the video if you need to. So I'm going to be showing you from this first one all the way down to the very last one. So we're going to start by going to a blank page. So this one's an exact copy of the page that I just showed you. We're going to be doing that first one. So to do that, you just click on Edit in your Signature Assignments module. Or if you need to add a new one, it's going to be a rich text module. So you'll just go up here and it's rich text, and you just add that module there. Alright, so once this is in there, go ahead and just delete all the instructions. And make sure you leave that title there. Then you'll be using this button here called Insert Media. Then you choose your file from your computer. And once you find the one that you want, you can double click on it. And once it's complete, you can choose your alignment and click on Insert. It's going to look like this at first. You can go ahead and adjust the position of this, so I want mine centered. And as soon as you save and publish, you should see the correct version of it. So this is what it's going to look like, and then you just click on play to listen to your music. So that's the very first option. The second option here is a downloadable link. I recommend that you put this in to supplement this first one. I wouldn't put this in alone, but you can do this one alone, or you can do both. So that one, you just click on Edit. It's going to be the rich text module as well. Just give it some space underneath your player, and you'll use this button right next to it called Insert File. Choose your file, and then go ahead and wait for it to complete, and then click on Insert. So this puts in your file just like that. You can then adjust the text if you want. And then just make sure you save and publish. So there you have it. This is if your file is less than 20 megabytes. The next one, you'll have to go to the top of the page. So if your file is larger than 20 megabytes, go add a module. You want to use the audio module up here and click on Add this module, which will place your module at the top of the page here. You'll go ahead and drag to reorder this. Sometimes if you still have a design tab, you'll want to drag to reorder your tab or your modules up in the design tab, which I don't have one in this account. So once you're ready, you would click on Replace this media. So first, let's make sure that you already have your account set up on soundcloud.com. Once you have your account set up, there's a little button up here that says Upload. So you click on Choose a File to Upload, and you choose your file. And once that's in, then you can go ahead and change your metadata, your permissions, and so on. So just wait for this to process all the way. It might take a little bit to do, but during that time you can go ahead and change your title, you can change the genre, and add tags and descriptions and things like that. Once it's ready, it will say ready, click Save to post this track. So all you need to do is scroll down, and of course you can make it, well, Actually, in this case, you want to make sure it's public so that your teachers can have access to it. Once you have been graded on that, you can choose to make it private, but just keep in mind that it's going to be private to everyone except you. So just keep that in mind. Click on save, and then it will save it for you. And then you'll have your track here. So you'll go to your track by clicking here. And once you're here, you're looking for the share button. So the share button is this button right here that says share. You click on that and grab the embed code here. And you just copy and you go back to Digication, click on replace this media. And you want media from web new. Then you want to paste and click on done. And it will put in this here for you. You click on publish to make sure it stays in there. And then when you want, you just click on this to play the file. So that's that very first option for, or the only option that you have if your file is bigger than 20 megabytes. So the very last one that you guys can do is it's similar to this one here. You can just grab, for example, if you found a song from someone else that you want to grab from SoundCloud, you just grab the share embed code here, and you can put that into the very same module that you have that was the audio module. Or you can grab it from Spotify as well, and I'll be showing you that right now. So again, it's the same process. You go up to the top to add a module, and it's the audio module. Click on add this module. And once you have that, you just want to make sure you find your embed code and then replace this media with it. So let's say my song from Spotify is this one. I'm looking for this button that says more, and I'm looking for the copy embed code option here. So you just click on that, and it kind of looks like nothing happened, but when you click on replace this media and you click on media from web new and you paste it in, it should be that new one. You just click on done, and then it will place in your file here. And all you have to do is make sure you publish, and then you can click on this to play it. So those are the options for putting in your audio files. Make sure you drag this one to the bottom as well and place it in the area that you want it to be in. So that one's a little bit too far down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.